what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be installing the Type R style rear bumper lip conversion kit for the 2017 to 2021 Honda Civic Hatchback. Thank you to Primitive Performance Auto for providing this lip conversion kit. So here's what comes in the kit. This one's already glossy black. The rest is going to be just plastic, black plastic that's unpainted. And then you get little side pieces like this, which will connect to the middle piece. And here's our old one, obviously the non-sport rear bumper. And there we got our ugly OEM exhaust. So then here's how it will look once you put it on. It's going to be way more aggressive. You have the center exhaust, and then we might even get a Pro Drager exhaust. So now getting started, we do have mud flaps, the Rally Armor mud flaps, if you guys have seen that video. But normally you just have two screws on the side here. If you do have the mud flaps, you will have to take it off. But it's not too hard. Go ahead and remove the two screws or your mud flaps. And then after that, you need to open up your trunk, and there are two screws on each side here. I think these are T30s. So get your T30 and remove those. And then after that, there are some clips on the bottom of the bumper, which I did not know about. So I started popping this bumper out. And then I removed the clips on the bottom. And after that, everything came off perfectly. And in here, there are even more clips for you to remove, which get the pieces off, of course. So remove those clips and just pop everything right off. It's very straightforward. This is a easy install for this one. So there we go. We popped it out. There are lots of little clips, but once you get it out, you can just pop in the new rear bumper conversion, and it pops in perfectly. So look at this thing. It looks way more aggressive on the car. Obviously there is an exhaust missing right now since we don't have one, and then there's the OEM exhaust again on the side, but it doesn't rub or anything, so it is all good. But for now, we will be rocking this thing looking way more aggressive, and then we will eventually get a cool little Pro Drager exhaust in the middle there. Hopefully you guys are going to stay tuned for that one, because I know a lot of you guys own the non-sport hatchbacks. Alright, so anyway, I love this bumper conversion kit. Thank you again to Primitive Performance Auto for providing it. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you're new here, subscribe for more videos on the Civic. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.